electroscope.
Hi, I'm Shayna.
And I'm Tanya. And today we're going to be talking about charged objects and detecting static charge. There's an attraction between objects with unlike charges.
Let's learn more about static electric charges.
The study of static electric charges is known as electrostatics.
But how can you tell if an object is charged?
You can test if the object is attracted to something else, or you can use an electroscope.
An electroscope is an instrument used to detect static charge.
First, we will demonstrate what happens to an electroscope when different charged objects are brought near it. Okay, so for this experiment, you're going to need a metal leaf electroscope, an ebonite rod, and some fur or a wool sweater.
The first step of the experiment is to rub the ebonite rod on the wool sweater.
And then you bring the ebonite rod close to the top of the electroscope, right here, known as the knob.
The next step is to observe the leaves.
The greater the charge, the more the leaves will separate.
At first, the electroscope is neutral. That means there's an equal number of protons and electrons throughout the electroscope. And then when the ebonite rod is brought close to it, the electroscope becomes negatively charged. When you rub the ebonite rod on the fur, it becomes negative because it tends to gain electrons, since it's low on the Triboelectric series. So what is the Triboelectric series?
Well, we know that ebonite is made out of a hard rubber and is low on the Triboelectric series.
The Triboelectric series is a list that ranks various materials according to their tendency to gain or lose electrons.
This means that the ebonite rod accepts electrons easily.
When the negatively charged ebonite rod is brought close to the electroscope, the electrons get transferred to the leaves, and since both the leaves are now negatively charged, they repel each other. This means that objects with unlike charges are attracted to each other, and objects with the same charges repel one another. This causes the leaves to no longer repel each other, and the electroscope becomes neutral once again.
We hope you enjoyed our video and learned something new.
Thanks for watching!